Dreamflow versus FlutterFlow. Which app builder is better? Choosing the right app builder can shape how fast you prototype, build, and deploy mobile or web applications. Dreamflow and FlutterFlow are two emerging tools that aim to make app development easier, but they take different approaches. Dreamflow focuses on AI-assisted app creation with an emphasis on speed and simplicity, while FlutterFlow provides a visual, drag-and-drop interface built on Flutter for more custom and scalable application development. This comparison breaks down how each platform works, so you can decide which one fits your workflow and project goals best. Dreamflow is an app builder designed to help users generate full applications quickly, using artificial intelligence and intuitive controls. It often allows you to describe your app idea in natural language or through template selection, then automatically generates screens, flows, and even back-end logic based on your description. Dreamflow's goal is to reduce the amount of manual design and coding, enabling faster prototyping and iteration. This makes it a great choice for entrepreneurs, designers, and small teams who want to turn ideas into working apps without diving deep into complex coding environments. FlutterFlow is a visual app development platform that uses a drag-and-drop interface on top of Google's Flutter framework. It lets you design UI components, configure data sources, and define app logic through visual tools that generate clean Flutter code in the background. FlutterFlow also supports integrations, custom actions, Firebase backend services, and real mobile app exports for iOS and Android. Because it's built on Flutter, the apps you create are performant and scalable, and you have the option to view or export the source code for further customization. FlutterFlow is ideal for developers and teams that want the flexibility of building complex, production-ready apps without hand-coding everything from scratch. Feature comparison: Dreamflow and FlutterFlow each excel in different areas of app building. Dreamflow stands out for its AI-assisted fast app generation that speeds up prototyping and reduces manual work. FlutterFlow shines for its visual, drag-and-drop interface built on Flutter, giving developers deep control and the option to export real code for scalable apps. Final thoughts. If you want to turn ideas into working applications quickly, with minimal design and coding effort, Dreamflow is a strong choice. If your priority is building robust, custom, and production-ready applications with full design control and code export options, FlutterFlow may be the better fit. The best app builder for you depends on your project complexity, design needs, and whether you prioritize speed or customization.